Hi everyone, I'm Siddharth and today I'm going to show you the solution for the problem named Pawri meme, and the problem code for this one is Pawri. The difficulty level is easy, and the basic things that you need to know before doing this is the concept of loops and the concept of string classes. Keeping in mind that we already know about the string classes and their functions, I would still like to emphasize on the string function, that is substring. First, let us understand what is a substring. A substring is a part of a big string. Suppose I have a string over here, I love to code. Okay. Now if I extract part from this string, say love, say code, say to code, say I love, okay, all these are substring of this big string. Clear? Substring is a part of a big string. Just like subarrays is a part of a big array, similarly substring is a part of a big string. Now let's come to the function of this substring function. So this substr or the substring function is a function which is present in the string class. So you need to include this header file string.h for using this. Okay. Now this substring function allows us to generate substring of a given string. Okay. Now it has two parameters. First parameter is the position parameter and the second parameter is the size parameter. In the position parameter, we have to specify from which position of the string we want to extract the substring. And the size parameter, we have to say or to notify the size of the substring that we want to generate. Now if I apply this function to this above line, okay, if I apply this function to this above line, say for example, this is not the correct syntax, but for the sake of understanding, let us apply this function to this string. Okay. We know very well that the string indexing start from 0. So i's index will be 0, l's index will be 1, o's index will be 2, v's index will be 3, e's index will be 4, and like this 5, 6 and then 7th. That means at this 7th position my substring generation will start. Okay. And what will be the size of the substring? Size of the substring is given, that is 4. 7th is the position, 4th is the size. So including the 7th index, we will count 3 other index which will give me a substring of 4 characters. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will get code as output if I apply this function to the given code, given statement. Clear? So substring function allows us to generate substring. Okay, and we have to notify the size and the position. First the position, then comes the size. Position means the position from where we want the substring function to extract the substring, and size is the size of the substring which we actually want. Now let's look at the problem statement first. So I hope you read the problem statement. So I'm going it very fast. Okay. So lately Chef has inspired by the Pawri meme, therefore he decided to take a string s and change each of his substring that spells party to Pawri and find the resulting string. So basically it is saying that we have to accept a string from the user or the programmer, and we have to find substrings from the string, and what we have to do, if that substring is equal to party, we will replace it by Pawri. Okay. So this is the input parameters. It says that the first line will be the number of test cases, the second line will be the string itself where we have to carry out the manipulations, and the last one is the output parameters, that is the string which we have manipulated. We have to output that. So let's understand the test cases now. So see here, the first line of the test cases is the number of test cases, that is 3 in this case. So this is the first string, this is the second string, this is the third string. This is part, and the output for that is part, because this is part, not party. We will replace party by Pawri. This is part, this is not part, so nothing happens to this string. But if you consider the second string, that is party, party, then parti, then party. So we will replace the words that comes party with pawri. Parti will not be replaced. So see here, the same thing is happening. Pawri, parti remains intact, and pawri remains intact. Similarly for the last string, which is a very big one, see party is present over here, so this should be replaced by Pawri, as we can see over here. Clear about the test cases? Okay. Now let's understand the brute force approach for solving this problem. So what will I do? I'm telling you the algorithm. So steps. First step is accept the input from the user. Okay, first step, accept input, that is the string and the test case, and then the string. Okay, what will I do next? I will find out substrings from that string. So find substring from input string. Okay, now if that particular substring is equal to party, okay, if substrings equal to, we are comparing the substring, okay, is equal to party, then what will I do? I will replace party by Pawri. Okay, 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 very good. Now let's understand a different thing, that what is a string actually. A string is actually an array of characters. Okay, let's understand this with the help of an example. See, I have an example over here. Let's take a string, for example, s equal to abc party dx. Clear? So if we consider this as an array of characters, so how will that array look like? So array will be like this: a b c p a r t y d, and the last one here x. Okay, we know the string is a array of characters, so it is looking like this. Now what will I do? I will index this. So we know that array indexing or the string indexing, anything starts from 0 itself. So this position is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is 9. What is the length of the string? That is 9. Okay, now let's do a single thing. What will I do? I will generate subsets from this string. Okay, I don't know what is the length of the string. I have the function length, string dot length, that will give me the length of the string. Now from which position I will generate the substring, that also I don't know, because I don't know where is party present. So what will I do? I will generate the substring from every position. So I don't know at which position the word party is present. So what will I do? I will generate substring from every position. Now if that substring is equal to party, I will replace the upcoming characters by Pawri. Okay, so what will be my substring function looking like? It will be substring. What will be my position? Position will be the index. Okay, since I will go to all the indexes, that is from 0 to 9, I will go to all the indexes. So let's take a loop over here. Okay, so here will be the loop variable that will store the indexes. Okay, and here I will write the size of the substring which I wish to generate. So what should be the size of the substring which I want to generate, or which I want to search for? Actually, I want to search for the word party. I want to search for the substring party in the string, right? So what is the length of the party? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the size of the word party is 5. So I wish to generate the substring of size 5 from this big string. From this big string, I wish to generate substring of size 5. Now if that particular substring is equal to party, I will replace the upcoming characters by Pawri. Clear? So this will be my substring function looking like this. Now if this substring function output is equal to party, okay, party, this is not the correct syntax, I am writing just for your understanding. I will replace the upcoming characters by Pawri. What is the upcoming characters? Upcoming characters will be, say, my party is found over here, PARTY. Okay, my loop variable was here, I variable was here at P. So and he found that party is coming as a substring. So I will do something that will replace the upcoming characters, that is A, R, T, Y, with P, A, R, W, Y. Okay, understood the basic thing? Little bit understood what we have to do? We will find this party, we will search for the substring party. If party is found, then from that index to the up to upcoming 5 indexes, we will replace the words with PARWY. Let's go to the code and we will understand it in a better way. Let's go to our compiler now. So we are in our VS Code compiler. At first I will do the necessary things, that is the main, of course. So I have created a snippet over here which makes my work faster. So I will include the string.h header file, st or string header file. Done. Now I will do the test cases. So int tc, which is the test case variable, c in tc. Now I will run a for loop which will count the number of test cases. For t equal to 1, t less than equal to tc, and t plus plus. So this will count the number of test cases. After that I will declare a string variable. Okay, string str. Let my string variable, which I am going to take as input from the user, be str. Okay, so let's take it input first, str. Okay, now what happens is that I already have my string now as input. Okay, now I will generate substring and I will search for the string party. If so, what will be the function written like? Str, that is the string name dot substring, and then the position. What will be the position? I don't know. So for that, what I have to do? I have to define a for loop which will store the indexes, because I don't know from which location I will find the word party. So for that I will run a for loop. So for int I equal to 0, I less than str dot length, because I have already mentioned the indexes will be going up to the last of the string till we find the last of the string. Okay, and this is my for loop. Now here let's make the indentation a bit proper. So now in this if condition I will start from the ith index, that is from the beginning, okay, to the end, and then I will search for the substring of size 4. I'm sorry, it will be the substring of size 5. And if this substring is equal to party, then what we will do, we will replace the upcoming characters by party. So what will be the upcoming characters? Upcoming characters will be like this. Str of I will remain same, that is P. Okay, I'm sorry, it will be str. Next, str of I plus 1 will be A. This also remains same. Then str of I plus 2 will be R. Okay, then str of I plus 3 will be equal to W. Now see here, the change is happening. We are replacing T by W, and we will replace at last the Y with I plus 4. I plus 4 equal to I. So what will happen once this substring party is found? Then from that location, what will I do? I will replace the word party with party. Why? Because that's our required thing. Now see here, up to I plus 4, there is no scope of finding the word party again. So what will I do to make the program run faster? I will do I equal to I plus 4. So this will reduce few iterations, and which will reduce our time complexity of the code. So this way we are replacing the original string which has party with party. So at the end, what we have to do, we have to see out the word or the actual string, then end. Okay, so let's see if our program is running properly or not. We have the test cases here. I hope you can see it. Okay, so let's run it now. So as you can see, the output is coming properly, and so it is showing passed. Okay, so let's copy it and we will paste it in the Codechef IDE now. So Control C, and let's go to our Codechef IDE now. So we are in our Codechef platform now, and we will navigate to the IDE. So this is the problem which I am solving now. So let's click the submit button and allow for the IDE to come. I will select C++, it is already selected. I will remove everything and I will paste the code, and then I will click on submit. It is showing submission is queued. So we can see that we have received a correct answer. So in this way you solve the problem named Pawri meme. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button and keep supporting Codechef.